This is my group group members, and our guide we are one guide. We are the group of three members. Myself, Rishikesh, Varambe, Priyank, and Dhananjay, presenting you the project of password strength under the guidance of Professor Siraj Patan sir. I would like to begin the presentation by giving you the brief introduction about the topic, followed by Priyank, who will give you the brief idea about the project work and the remaining aspects of the project, followed by Dhananjay, who will add up some more information and will conclude it. Moving to the objective parts. Moving to the objective parts. Uh, एक minute. The objectives are compare the evaluate and effectiveness of currently known attacks using various database of known password, explain authentication and authorization, provide familiarity with how passwords are used. Uh, the password provides the first line of defense against the unauthorized access of your computer and personal information. The stronger your password and more protect your computer will be from hackers and malicious software. You should maintain the strong password for all accounts on your computer. Here are some useful tips for the strong password and keeping the information. Use the unique password for each of your important accounts. Do not use the password. Do not use the same password across multiple accounts. Your password should be at least 8 characters long. Password should be consist of lowercase or upper letters, numbers, and symbols. Do not personal information such as your name, age, and date of birth, child's name, pet's name, or favorite color song when constructing your password. The next slide, problem statement. In a problem statement, there are some policies of ineffective password policies. In response of IT department, often use the password policies to help correct that behavior and give data more protection. With the help of automated enforcement of these requirements when possible, but those rules often have big spots of their own. Here are the three common problems with the many companies' password policies: outdated complexity and requirements, too many force change, and no reasonable uh, lock rule, and ineffective in a password. The biggest problems are the password policy that companies employees do not put sensitive information at risk. One of the biggest problems is weak passwords that offer little protection, and despite its best efforts, organization password policies much. In a password statement, the password control access to private data and resources. Attackers may try to break into the link. And the next one is the many users have simple password for accessing their life. The next slide will be explained by my friend Dhananjay.
Now we see the literature review. The title of the paper is Password Security, written by Dhanu Vasin Charwan. Introduction. This study investigates the user behavior to password utilization. Good password practices are critical to the security of any information system. End users often use weak passwords that are short, simple, and based on personal and meaningful information that can be easily guessed. Literature review. Password attributes. Zwiran and Haga conducted a survey on computer users at a Department of Defense. They observed that 24.9% of respondents had 6 characters in their passwords. Zwiran and Haga also observed that 80.1% of respondents password consider of only alphabet characters. End user security. When users are allowed to select their own password, they tend to select password that are easy to remember, but also easy to crack. Uh, that are simple, shorts, and derived from meaningful details. Like Zwiran and Haga Adams and say observe that some users create their passwords based on details meaningful to them, using passwords multiple times. Although passwords theft is danger to the information system in which password is compromised, password that can also threaten other information systems. Because many people have multiple password protected accounts and they often use reuse identical passwords repeatedly. Hackers can more easily gain access to other accounts. Social problems. Sese et al. Observe that sharing passwords is considered a sign of trust among colleagues and friends. People who are not willing to share passwords with colleagues and regards as a untrusting. Users who practice safe computing by having strong passwords are often described as paranoid and antisocial. I request Priyansh to proceed with next slides.
Thank you, Dhananjay. I am Priyansh Rajesh Kalikhan from Mechanical Department, BME1. My number is 18ME29, and I am going to discuss about the research method. The research method was used that the survey they conduct and analyze the current characteristics of user behavior, how they are utilizing their passwords. Discussion. The discussion we had that password are still one of the weakest link in information systems. Password are weak because people are using 6 characters rather than 8 characters, and passwords are not that unique. Password should be unique. Password should be of combination of special character as well as numbers and alphabets. So the password should be that do not crack easily. The result of this study is show that the people often create password based on their personal information, birthdays, like birthdays, citizen ID, telephone number, that should be avoided. So we can protect our data safely. So as we are progressing through, Dhananjay, next slide, please. So we are at the conclusion that the password are the first line of defense, and if password should be password should be strong, long, and complicated, that one should not crack it easily, and should be easily to memorize. So that's it from our side, and thanks for listening. Thank you.